Hello again, welcome to another video review, and today we're looking at this lovely Renault Megane 1.5 dCi Coupe 2015, finished in a metallic white. Stunning looking car, nice condition, all nice and clean inside. It's got the genuine mats, 2 keys, full service history. Three seats in the back. Nice alloys. Let's have a look in the boot, which leads from under there. Decent amount of boot space. And under there, full-size spare wheel. There's an emergency kit there with a high-vis jacket. Various other bits and bobs, jack and toolkit is all present. All there. Nice tidy bodywork. Let's just take a look. Controls there for electric door mirrors, electric windows. Steering wheel mounted controls on the side there. $85,000 miles with a full service history of the car. Push button, stop start. It's got the built-in sat nav, which is controlled from this control panel here, so it gives you all the usual TomTom preferences. You can just switch to the map option. If you turn that knob there on the top, you can zoom in and out. So got the Bluetooth connections, which you can select from there. Radio, it's also selected from there. It's also got a CD player there, and it's also got the USB and auxiliary socket, so all your media stuff's all in one place there. Cruise control, which is switched from there and there, and speed limiter, that's from that switch there. 6-speed manual gearbox, conventional handbrake. Box area, storage area there, with the all-important locking wheel nut tool in there. So there you go. Digital climate controls as well from there. Yeah, nice looking car, nice to drive. 0 road tax at the moment. So very cheap to run, very good on fuel. Good reliability from these Renaults as well. So there you go, if you're looking for a smart little car, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.